Namaskar, welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 24th of January. First, we'll look into the highlights of weather forecast of coming 7 days. If you talk about the weather highlight, particularly a fresh, intense western disturbance likely to impact Western Himalayan region during 26th to 28th of January with its peak intensity on 27th January with the possibility of isolated heavy rainfall as well as snowfall over Western Himalayan region. Apart from that, during 27th to 28th January, there is also a possibility of light to moderate rainfall along with gusty southwest wind, lightning and over north plains of northwest India as well as over Madhya Pradesh during the period. If we talk about the past 24 hours weather, particularly due to the western disturbance that is a well-marked low pressure area that is Western system, there was very heavy rainfall as well as gusty winds, snowfall, hailstorm over several parts of northwest India including Western Himalayan region, and also dense fog to very dense fog condition observed over Assam, Meghalaya as well as Odisha. If you talk about the weather system in particular, the western disturbance which was well-marked low pressure area, it has now seen as a cyclonic circulation and over Jammu and adjoining Pakistan region in lower tropospheric level. Apart from that, there is also a trough in easterly that is over southwest Bay of Bengal of Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka coast in lower tropospheric level, and a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India from 26th of January 2026. Because of this weather system, particularly that passage of western disturbance that causes huge impact over northwest India, there is significant fall in the minimum temperature, and this minimum temperature likely to be maintained during next 2 days over northwest India, and there will be gradual rise as the fresh western disturbance likely to affect northwest India on 26th. That temperature will rise by 4 to 6 degrees over during next 2 to 3 days. Also, there is a gradual fall after the passage of the western disturbance that is by 3 to 5 degrees in next subsequent 2 days. If you talk about central India, during next 2 days there will be no significant change in the minimum temperature. However, after that in subsequent 2 to 3 days there will be gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees, and after that fall by 3 to 5 degrees. If you talk about the Maharashtra and Gujarat, there will be rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees over both the region in 3 days. However, over Maharashtra there will be no significant change afterwards, but for Gujarat there will be fall in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees after 4 days. In remaining parts of the country, there will be no significant change. If you talk about the weather alert in particularly, orange alert has been issued for Punjab and Haryana, looking into the possibility of dense to very dense fog condition, that is visibility will be less than 200 meters over some pockets, as well as there is a cold wave condition likely over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan. Also cold day condition likely over Rajasthan as well. Fog condition likely over dense fog condition, particularly Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Sub-Himalaya, West Bengal. Also possibility of, due to the trough in easterly, possibility of heavy rainfall possibility is there over the Tamil Nadu, so yellow alert has been issued. If you talk about day 2, for dense fog condition, particularly dense to very dense fog condition, Punjab, Haryana likely to continue. Also the possibility of cold wave condition likely to continue over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, also Rajasthan. So yellow alert has been issued. And for fog condition, so west to Uttar Pradesh as well as Sub-Himalaya, West Bengal, there are possibilities there for dense fog. Also heavy rainfall possibility is there over Tamil Nadu on day 2 as well. On day 3, if you look at particularly, there is possibility of dense fog condition over West UP and thunderstorm lightning over Kerala. On day 4, that is due to a fresh active intense western disturbance that is likely to affect from 26 to 28. Its peak intensity will be 27. So there is possibility of hailstorm as well as gusty wind speed reaching 40 to 50, gusting to 60 kmph, as well as hailstorm and heavy rainfall over Western Himalayan region, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, also Himachal Pradesh. Orange alert has been issued for looking into the possibility of hailstorm as well as heavy rainfall. But for hailstorm and gusty wind speed, strong gusty surface wind speed, Uttarakhand has been issued for orange alert. If you talk about the plains as well as central India, of North India as well as central India, particularly Madhya Pradesh, thunderstorm lightning gusty wind speed reaching 30 to 40, gusting up to 60 kmph likely, and yellow alert has been issued. On day 5th, that is 28th of January, there is an orange alert for Uttarakhand, yellow alert particularly for the Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, looking to aspect of gusty wind as well as thunderstorm lightning activity. For Uttarakhand, there is a possibility hailstorm as well on 28th of January. For 29th and 30th, there is no warning for any part of the country. For detailed information, you can directly log in to mosam.imd.gov.in. Also follow us in social media platform X, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Namaskar.